Have you ever finished a construction project, feeling proud, only to have problems show up months later? Maybe it's a cracked wall, a leaking roof, or plumbing that just won't cooperate. These hidden problems cost homeowners and businesses thousands of dollars every year. But here's the secret: they don't happen by accident, they start early in the planning and construction phase. Professionals know that each decision, each material, and each step matters, and small mistakes early on can grow into major issues. In this video, we'll explore why construction problems appear later and reveal the strategies top professionals use to prevent them before they even happen. Along the way, we'll dive deeper into real-life examples, share expert insights, uncover tools used by pros, and provide actionable steps that anyone can apply to their own projects, whether you're managing a small home renovation or a large commercial build. Understanding this framework not only saves money but also reduces stress and ensures a long-lasting, high-quality structure. Construction problems often appear only after the project seems complete. Common issues include structural cracks, water leaks, foundation problems, misaligned electrical systems, HVAC malfunctions, roof issues, and poor finishing work. These problems usually originate from mistakes or oversights in early planning, material selection, or execution. For example, a foundation crack may start as a hairline fracture but expand over months, while a poorly installed pipe may leak silently, causing mold growth and water damage. Professionals pay close attention to these details, inspecting materials, reviewing designs, and even simulating possible failure points before work begins. Understanding the patterns of past construction failures helps prevent them, and professionals use this knowledge to anticipate where issues are most likely to occur and implement preventive measures in advance. They also track environmental factors such as soil conditions, moisture levels, and weather forecasts to reduce risk and ensure structural stability. One of the biggest reasons construction problems appear late is poor planning. A weak project plan might ignore site conditions, local regulations, weather factors, or material lead times. Without proper planning, delays and errors pile up, eventually causing visible issues. For instance, skipping soil testing can lead to uneven settling, cracking walls, and foundation damage. Rushing permit approvals may cause legal delays and costly redesigns. Professionals create detailed project plans, contingency plans, and conduct thorough site surveys to prevent these problems. They consult engineers and architects early to identify potential risks and even run simulations to anticipate challenges. Some top builders also include phase schedules, daily progress tracking, and detailed documentation to ensure nothing is overlooked. Another major cause of problems is using low-quality materials or unskilled labor. Cheap pipes, nails, or insulation may save money upfront but often fail within months. Even high-quality materials can fail if installed improperly, such as misaligned framing causing doors not to close or poorly installed roofing leading to leaks. Professionals avoid these problems by sourcing premium materials, hiring experienced tradespeople, and enforcing strict quality checks at every stage. They may conduct mock installations or small test sections to ensure work meets standards. This preventive approach not only reduces costs in the long run but also builds trust with clients and strengthens the company's reputation. Learning from past projects, they analyze which materials performed well under different conditions and apply those insights to current builds. Skipping inspections is a common mistake that leads to late problems. Every critical stage, foundation, framing, plumbing, electrical, HVAC, needs inspection. Without inspections, minor issues go unnoticed until they become serious and expensive. Professionals schedule inspections at every milestone and document everything thoroughly. Third-party inspections are often used to ensure objectivity. Some experts recommend layered inspection systems, where multiple professionals review the same stage from different perspectives, catching issues that might otherwise slip through. Inspections provide accountability, create a paper trail for future reference, and help teams correct mistakes before they escalate, which ultimately protects both the builder and the client. Preventive measures are often skipped to save time or money. Small steps like waterproofing basements, reinforcing weak structures, double-checking load calculations, and testing HVAC systems can prevent future problems. Professionals see these steps not as optional but as essential. A small upfront investment avoids massive repairs later. Many seasoned builders create risk matrices to prioritize preventive actions, ensuring the most likely and costly issues are addressed first. They also continually evaluate previous projects to identify recurring problems and implement systematic changes, improving quality and efficiency over time. Top professionals plan for problems before they happen. They create detailed checklists for every stage, communicate consistently with all team members, and track progress using project management systems. Regular quality checks and proper documentation ensure mistakes are caught early. Professionals also research materials, methods, and technologies to stay ahead of potential risks. In addition, they continuously update their knowledge about new building standards, equipment, and sustainable practices, ensuring their projects not only meet but exceed industry benchmarks. Real-world examples illustrate the importance of proactive planning. In one residential project, skipping a roof inspection led to leaks 6 months later, causing water damage and mold. In a commercial site, ignoring load calculations caused structural stress, delaying the project by weeks. Even minor oversights early on can have major consequences. Professionals learn from these examples and create protocols to avoid repeating mistakes. Documenting lessons from each project and training the team to apply them consistently is a hallmark of expert builders. Understanding building codes and local regulations is another crucial factor professionals focus on. Ignoring building codes can lead to unsafe structures and costly legal issues later. Experienced contractors check permits, zoning regulations, and safety standards before starting, and they stay updated on code changes to prevent future problems. This diligence prevents fines, project delays, and structural issues, giving clients peace of mind. Some professionals even maintain a checklist of frequently changing regulations and assign team members to track updates continuously. Advanced planning tools, like 3D modeling and construction simulations, help professionals visualize potential problems before ground is broken. Using these tools, contractors detect design flaws, estimate material needs accurately, and identify possible structural weaknesses. Simulations save time, money, and prevent problems that might appear months or years later. Digital modeling also allows teams to collaborate remotely, review progress virtually, and make informed decisions without halting on-site work. Effective communication between all parties is another key factor. Miscommunication between architects, engineers, subcontractors, and clients is a common source of mistakes. Professionals schedule regular meetings, provide clear instructions, and document decisions in writing. They also implement systems for tracking changes, approvals, and clarifications, reducing errors and ensuring alignment across teams. Teams that communicate proactively can resolve issues quickly, preventing them from escalating into costly problems. Monitoring environmental factors can prevent many hidden problems. Soil type, drainage, weather conditions, and climate all affect construction quality. Professionals test soil, monitor moisture levels, and choose materials suitable for local conditions. They plan around seasonal weather patterns, anticipate extreme conditions, and adapt schedules accordingly. Selecting the correct type of concrete, wood treatment, or insulation material for the local environment ensures long-term durability and reduces the risk of structural failure. Proactive maintenance planning is part of professional construction. Even before the building is complete, professionals plan for long-term maintenance, such as HVAC servicing, roof inspection schedules, and plumbing checks. This foresight prevents minor issues from becoming major problems, extending the life of the building. Maintenance planning also includes training clients or facility managers on proper care and creating documentation for repair history, which reduces uncertainty and future costs. Financial planning also prevents construction problems. Budgeting for unexpected costs, material price changes, and labor expenses ensures quality work isn't sacrificed to save money. Professionals always include contingency budgets to handle surprises, avoiding rushed decisions that lead to mistakes. They regularly review cash flow, compare estimates to actual costs, and adjust purchasing and scheduling strategies to maintain both financial stability and quality standards. Training and upskilling workers reduces mistakes. Professionals invest in regular training for their teams on new construction techniques, safety measures, and tool usage. Skilled workers make fewer mistakes, and overall quality improves. Many companies conduct workshops, hands-on simulations, and certification programs to ensure their teams stay current with industry best practices. This investment in human capital pays off with fewer delays, reduced defects, and higher client satisfaction. Documentation is another crucial habit. Keeping detailed records of plans, materials, inspections, and communications allows professionals to trace back any problems, identify causes, and prevent them in future projects. Proper documentation also helps with legal protection, project audits, and client transparency. Teams that maintain comprehensive records can resolve disputes quickly and learn from past projects, continuously improving processes. Customer involvement can prevent late problems. Regular updates to clients, walkthroughs, and approvals at each stage ensure that the final product meets expectations. Misaligned expectations often lead to revisions and hidden problems later. Professionals schedule client meetings, provide visual updates, and encourage feedback to ensure alignment. This proactive engagement reduces the likelihood of disputes and enhances client trust. So, what's the bottom line? To avoid construction problems showing up later, plan thoroughly before starting, use high-quality materials and skilled labor, schedule inspections at every stage, implement preventive measures consistently, know building codes, use advanced planning tools, communicate effectively, monitor environmental factors, plan maintenance, budget properly, train your team, document everything, and involve clients. Following these steps helps you avoid costly repairs, delays, and headaches, while ensuring a durable, high-quality project. Construction problems don't have to surprise you after the project is finished. By understanding the common causes, poor planning, low-quality materials, skipped inspections, ignored preventive measures, communication errors, environmental factors, and budget issues, you can act early and protect your investment. Building smart saves time, reduces stress, and ensures your project lasts for decades. Applying these professional strategies consistently will make the difference between a project that fails later and one that stands the test of time. If you want more construction tips and professional insights, subscribe to the channel and join a community of builders and entrepreneurs committed to excellence.